Okay, so now we've got a half dozen Braciola ready to fry. All right, so I've already heated up skillet. Oil is pretty hot, so you're gonna take Braciola, put them in there. And one thing I'm gonna stress when you're making any kind of Italian food, all right? Brown your meat. Brown your meat before you put it in the sauce. Because if you don't, what you're going to be doing, you're going to be boiling your meat. And you're going to be losing a lot of the quality flavor that comes in frying your meat to a nice brown. Not a golden brown, but a good dark brown. That is a lot of the flavor in your sauce. If you don't do that, then you got American sauce. I hope you're happy with that. Alright, so get them nice and brown all around, as much as you can do it. Yeah, it's getting there. As they're frying, move them around a little bit so they don't stick. Because you don't want them to open up in the pan. That's a real pain. You won't be able to put them back together. Okay, there you go. Okay, nice dark brown. That's not dark enough. These pans, you have to actually cut them on the outside edge of these pans to the fryers. The middle doesn't brown at all. Okay, but see, here's, you see that's browning? Huh? Alright. Alright, so you got the idea. And I'll stress again, make sure you brown the meat, because that flavor is imperative to a good sauce. You have to have that flavor in your sauce. That's why I don't cook my meatballs in an oven. You don't get the flavor of the browned meatballs in an oven. I don't care what you do. Baking is not the same as frying, and you don't get that element of that rich flavor. Anyway, you got the idea. Next step.